What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be talking about why people fail on the stock market and how you can actually avoid that. Perhaps you have heard the stat that floats around regarding day trading. Maybe someone has even told you this stat if you have been discussing day trading with people or told them you want to get into day trading. But the stat is that 9 out of 10 day traders fail. Now, why is that? Perhaps it's their computer, their broker, or how much capital they have. I hear that a lot of times. That is incorrect. What it comes down to is not having the proper tools needed to succeed. Now, you may be thinking this kind of obvious, but to put this kind of into context, think about a construction worker showing up to a job site and having to build something, but they didn't bring their tools and they didn't bring their blueprints. That's very similar in trading. If you want to be successful as a day trader, you need to have your tools with you and you need to have your plan or your blueprints as to what you're going to be doing for that day. It also comes down to getting too emotional about a trade, inadequate sources of knowledge. Stockwits comes to mind. Similar websites as Stockwits, people getting information from an unreliable source, which will feed into their own bias or thinking. What happens here is this becomes a guessing game for the trader. If they're reading or they see a tweet by someone on Stockwits, and it kind of changes their bias. That's why Stockwits is a whole different thing. I don't want to really dive too deep in right now. But the main point here is that it becomes a guessing game as opposed to objectively seeing the price action or objectively seeing the stock and the technicals for what they should be. Inadequate sources of knowledge can be countered by surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals who have the same or similar goals as you, who are well educated when it comes to day trading, and you can find these types of communities or think tanks where traders are discussing ideas. Normally they're paid services. We offer one as part of our company. It's specific to options trading. A lot of good information in there. I know a lot of accounts have been saved simply by joining the think tank, just to kind of network and communicate with other traders, more eyes on the market. Additional reasons day traders fail: they don't have a plan, also known as rules, also known as their blueprint, like we talked about the construction worker earlier, before they make a trade. They let their losers run and cut the winners short, and then after that they go all in out of desperation and blow up their account. I've seen this happen countless times. I've heard of it happening even more times. So all of this can be countered by proper education, proper risk management. Those are the two keys you guys need to have when you're coming into day trading, when you want to actually start trading with real money. Proper risk management ties into the emotional side of things, and education ties into technical analysis and knowing precisely how to execute a trade. Just wanted to kind of touch on these items as to why people fail on the market. Again, you see the stat out there, but not many people are talking about actually why it happens. So I hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Really helps us grow. Stay safe out there, and if you need help with your trading, please feel free to leave a comment. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.